Hey, okay, this is your boy. Nkosama Xwebe Penakana Forever, the Black Relic Show. Yeah, Skeleton Zone, guys. So, I'm not here alone, I'm here with...
What's up, guys? It's your boy Jay Lala. You know if you know.
If you wanna know, you know. So, guys, namhlanje sezingengiwe sibayitho. Sibayitho. Jay Lala and Skeleton Zone. So, Hugo. Into size ngayo question and answer, guys. If awusazi kahle yabo. So first question. Okay, first question.
Question is njani?
Like ukwazi abantu bakwazi, abanye abantu bakwazi. Okay, first question. Yabo.
Yeah.
Full name yakho ngba?
Jason Dlala Mahlana.
Yeah, JC. Bani Mahlana?
Dlala Mahlahla.
Oh, Mahlahla. Okay, like into yenzayo like nje abexola beRing ngiphi into yenzayo like abantu bakwazi ngayo kanye like umuntu xa ithetha ngawo uthetha uthini ngawo ngiphi into odume ngayo wena?
Yo didume ngando oqala. Yo. Anzazi.
Hey banna. Hey banna.
Azazi like okay into ecingayo ngathi like abantu bayakwazi soccer, jive, cula, drip, nuni.
I'm in state drip.
type shit.
No.
Okay, so nangaphi wena fa?
Na 16 fa.
Okay.
Sana ba 16 ngong 18 nga May.
Okay, type shit. So mfethu onimbuzo yabo. Like into yabo eyakwenza ba okay. Yabo, phofu i-coronation yazanjani? Yabo, kasibekele kahle ngeligama lithi coronation because thina xa sithetha sithi igama lize nawe. Uthi yabo igama lithi coronation lize nawe. Fiske ukwena la gama lithi coronation. Lifike njani kuwe? Because nguwe umuntu wazela igama.
Yadibanisa lawo iba okay jo. Singabexosa ngosithina. Ufishi xa sidibene siba neaura. Yabo? So yadibanisela gama ba okay aura. Abaxhosa. So ichora le.
Xhosa.
Oh, that's why. Okay. Oh.
Or
Xhosa aura.
type shit. So ke i-president yechora ngba?
Ndio angifundisa nehazi. Angayazi.
President yechora so like yeah. Chora like yaza nini? Like unyaka oqala ngayo coronation. Yabo. Yaza nini?
Yaza ningane.
Yaza nini. Kebeke kahle yaza nini?
Yaza ni PCA mani. Phango nini? Batala setibana kodwa. But igama sandofika lo. Yo.
Type shit.
Batala setibana.
Type shit. So, yeah, another question. Yeah. So like because event senizenzile i-coronation like siyo thina nami i-coronation yabo but like ngephi event ophuma nayo ngathi iboni yapha ne support ona igayi support usigayi support like support yakangako
Ngikane libe sika kube sobetha nongo sobetha ba. Lesuka ku event.
le nge-21
Yeah.
find a match.
Begcwele ba. Abegcwele qabe kasikhalise.
We appreciate you guys.
Abegcwele guys ngosini man. Ngase kugcwala isikokoko.
Yeah. So like mina mfethu mibuzo ngifuna ukubuza yona ndiqabile. Phofu like okay onyimbuzo coronation yabona ngobana like abantu abadume ngokwenza izinto. Phofu kabizi members of coronation.
You azininzi man.
Five.
These 5 but in
Like obaziyo like okay 10. Yeah.
Okay like abahamba nazi like la way. Basolo kweyichora. Okay ngizathi ba okay fishing go soqala.
Type shit.
Oh. Na dropper.
Ha.
Oh. Kitsana KV. Nzayam. No.
Type sheet.
Alo. Central. No.
Terminator. Central C.
Terminator.
Terminator.
No. Qhamani Junior.
Labs are that.
No. Banum. Nero
For the babies.
Nero. No. Banum. No. Balum zit. I like it.
By two, I like.
No.
By two.
Bagane nomzit.
Come.
Yeah, come.
Yeah.
Banum 8. K-Gang. So tuba Akanya. No. Tulisa no Aya. No Amzo. Maninzi gang man. Sorry bani bizanga.
No hard feelings. So like, maybe uzofuna ukubuza wona but coordination or ndibuzile. So like it's your turn now to ask the question.
No ngimo. Okay, jo. Eqalithini. Ndibuze. Kubale khona kwakubeka ichora yabo. Kuba ungathi ba akabe yi like admin. Cause ngile admin. Uba ngabe admin ichora.
Yeah, mina like ngingatsho banguwa ne but most of time awubikho yabo. So like ngathi ngiba but type sheet ku Central man.
Central.
Yeah, Central.
Bengumuntu soloko like bakhona kubajonga.
Yeah.
Every day.
Central type sheet Central between Central and KV. But
there's no sizinga. But I stock.
Like sifuna like ubona ba okay kanjani between Central and KV. But like when ungathi phona
ngase kumuntu sinonga ba bekho wadlala kuzo zonke isi-event.
bekwadlala.
La kumele ichora like uyadlanga ubatho iyangena kwi-event.
Yeah. Kuba
Aliyazi.
Abana bafuna udlala KV bekwadlala ile KV.
Ndikadlala. Bona itepe idlala. Okay.
Man kufanele zidlale isizotsi man.
Yazazi.
Like if utyalo ichora thina sityala iora sityala ichora xosa ora enjoy.
Okay, umbuzo wesibini. Thini? Thini umbuzo wesibini ngane? Okay, last event uzoba nini? Boma nje last kanye sezoyenzeka.
Yabo umbuzo wakho like ngamphendula kanje yabo 26 June 2026 last event yethu ka June I think like nganjalo. Then like enye event singenza nini before sivula isikela. Maybe like 2 days before sivula isikela singayenza. Yabo but like last event ka June iliyanga 26 yangomso. Don't miss out
la nansika wena chi.
Don't miss out.
Uphosa uhleli kokwenu. Siphosa uhleli kokwenu boreka uve yapho.
Chi ntoni
nabo mnandi bupafo.
koyeke man.
Khayeke mndana. Yeah. So I feel like ngigqibile umbuzo. Aqibanga.
Okay. Ngicela ubuza manje. Yabo phana ngicoordination. Yabo. Give like ilenuza umjita. Yabo umjita lenomazana ebonayo ba like if bangajola ba ngayesithu into yabo ibona ba izonapha.
Mbona ntsika.
Athi nganapha.
Yena daleka ba mbona ntsika Kitsana KV. Aya. Vibe liyana. Yabotho i-vibe leya.
Utsho phone.
Kodwa bahlambi bazothetha mangasibathethi la.
Kasikenzeka ni.
Asiyenzeki batho.
Yeah, ngayi vibe.
Alifa bayenze.
Like bangayenza
like ngiyancoma nje ngabagrand.
Bangayenza like itsho yabo I like yathetha. So like if yabo anoyenza lento yazi nibuyiswa yini lewe bekho like i-admin ongumchita nentombazana. That's why like ngibuze lihlobo yabo, mhlawumbe noba sekwenzeka izinto bana yabo, admin yabo girls okay, admin boys okay, and that's why like benibuza mina yabo, but like uthi kitsana KV
Lamdana.
KV, but like umchita angayi admin yabo, noba like akajuli operation yabo, but kitsana KV
Ngizayibona.
Ngalithetini lo yini.
Yeah guys, mase phela simbame ngenye. Bakunini.
Yeah, man. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Ngoku savulile news YouTube kaJay. Yabo.
Coming soon.
Yabo. Don't forget my song Palesa. Palesa is on the way. Palesa. Yeah. On the way, guys. On the way. Palesa.